Today I have a recipe for you guys which is very popular on the streets of Gujarat, which is Amiri Khaman or Sev Khamani. So the main ingredient for this recipe is chana dal or split Bengal gram. So I've taken 1 cup of chana dal here that I've soaked in hot water for about 4 hours, and make sure you drain out all the water after that. And now I'm going to grind this into a coarse paste. Just remember to pulse it and don't grind it at one speed. If you find it a little difficult to grind, you can add a couple of tablespoons of water. This is done. Let's get it out. As you can see, there are a few pieces of whole chana dal and it's quite a coarse paste and it's quite dry as well. So after grinding the paste, make sure that your steamer is already on and the water is starting to boil. And now let's add in all the seasoning ingredients in the batter. So half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger and chili paste, 4 tablespoons of sugar, squeeze 1 whole lemon, salt to taste. Let's start whisking all these ingredients together. Just whisk this till the sugar crystals melt, and now into this I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Mix the oil well. Once the water is boiling, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of ENO. Mix it well. As you can see, the batter has become frothy. And now, let's place a 7 inches greased thali or a dish in the steamer and quickly pour the batter in. Cover this and let it steam for 20 minutes on high flame. 20 minutes are up. Let's turn off the flame. Open the lid, and now we need to get this dhokla out and cool it. Just to cool this down completely, I'm just going to roughly chop it in some big pieces. Just cut it. And open it up so that it cools down quickly. So the first step was to make the dhoklas, and now we have to make the khaman. So for that, I'm just going to roughly crumble all these pieces. They're so soft and tender that they just crumble in a few seconds. Let's heat up a pan. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 2 round Boriya chilies, or you could use any dry chilies that you have at home, a few curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon hing or Asafoetida, 2 light green chilies or the little less spicy chilies, 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Let's saute all these ingredients first. Cook this till the cashews turn brown. Let's add in 2 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped. This is optional, so if you wish to add, you can add some. Saute the garlic nicely. Let's add in half a cup of water. Let the water come to a boil. I'm just going to add in a little more salt because I've added water, and I'm also going to be adding coconut, so some for that. And now let's add in the crumbled dhoklas. Give this a good mix. Make sure all the water has been absorbed nicely. Next into this, I'm going to add in 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. So another half lemon. Let's add in a handful of coriander leaves. Give it a last toss. This is done. Let's turn off the flame and time to plate. I have 3 things to garnish this with: some sev, some coriander leaves, and some pomegranate seeds. Quite a nutritious dish, makes a very good snack, and it's one of the must-have dishes in my Gujarati thali. So do give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to love it like I do. See you soon. Bye-bye.